How's it going, guys? It's Tom here from Careers. Today's video is going to be about UCAS, about how to apply through UCAS, and it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on the process that you'll follow to successfully apply to university. So I've previously done a tutorial on registering for UCAS, and basically registering for UCAS will give you those credentials that will then allow you to submit an application for university. So if you've got to this stage, brilliant. If you've got your credentials, that's fantastic. If you haven't yet got your credentials and you've not registered, go back, have a look at one of my previous tutorials and use this bottom section down here. If you have now got your credentials and you've registered and gone through that process, we're going to want to log in to our profile. It's really straightforward. Simply pop in your credentials into this box, press enter, and you'll start the process of signing in. This initial question might be a bit confusing to some, but what we'd really like you to do, if possible, is apply through your school or college. The reason for this is that we as tutors can then help you track your application, and when we come to give you a reference, it makes that process a little bit easier. You'll then be presented with this page, which will ask for the Myerscough buzzword. It's really simple. It's Myerscough 2021. Okay. I will also put this buzzword on Canvas. So if you are struggling to access this, you can always go back and refer to that. You want to press next. And for the sake of this, we are, yes, registering through Myerscough College, Preston. For those of you at our other campuses, Manchester, Warrington, Whitton and Croxteth, you will also be using this centre as well. This is the main centre and this is our examination centre, hence why it's come up with this choice. So we'll click yes, because that is correct, and then next. So this bit here is really, really important. This is a drop-down box and it'll present you with the courses or the course choices that we offer. As you can see, we also have some of our other centres on here as well. So we've got Croxteth, we've got Manchester, and we've got Whitton as well. Okay. If you are applying from those centres, please do select that. Please don't select the specific academic area. Please select your specific centre. Okay. For those of you on the Access to HE course, if you could just select I don't know, and that will submit you into the default group. Also, if you are in the Warrington campus, please select this option as well. So for the sake of this, I'm going to register as a horticultural student at Preston. Okay, now, so this has brought me into my profile. As you can see here, there is a personal ID, a 10-digit ID along the top. What I'd advise you to do at this stage is take a photo of that or make a note. As you can see just below, you'll also need to verify your email. So if you click on that link before anything else, it will send you an email to your email address that you registered with. If you follow the link on there, it will verify your account. As you can also see on this page on the left-hand side, there are a couple of different options, and these are all boxes that you will need to complete. There is a key at the bottom, which will indicate how far you've got in that process. So for each section now, we can see that we have not yet started that part of the application form. Obviously, the 3 green dots will indicate that that section has been started, but has not yet been completed. And when you then get a red tick in each of those boxes, you're ready to submit your application. I will be doing a quick video on each of those sections, so make sure you have a look. And if you've got any questions, drop us an email.